Press Automobile button and enter into the selection page. Select brand name and model number. Select manufacturer year and cuts. Press the decode button to enter into the decoding. Set decoding position as left, right, tip, sides. Choose round off. Check the original key. Place the key and tighten the clamp to fix the key. The key should be put as shown in touchscreen. Press the decode button, clear the clamp, and click the picture to start decoding. You can find the byting numbers on the screen after decoding. Press Cut button to enter into Cutting menu. Set speed as NKI silver cutting speed. Set cutting position as left, right, tip, sides. Fix key blank position as shown in touchscreen. Press the Cut button, clear the clamp, and click the picture to start cutting. Cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. One side finishes cutting, clear chips. Turn the key blank to the other side and fix it. Press the Cut button, and click the picture to start cutting. Cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. cutting is done. Open the safe gate and clean up the chippings. Now, you can have a try if the new key works.